In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Naruto in Infinite Craft. So the first thing you need to do is combine fire with the fire to get a volcano. And then you want to mix water with water to get a lake. And then you want to combine a volcano with the lake to get an island. There we go. And then you want to combine island with another island, which gives you a continent. And then you want to mix the earth block with yet another earth block. There we go. That gives you a mountain. And then you want to combine the continent block with the mountain block, which gives you Asia. There we go. And then you want to mix Asia with island. There we go. It gives you Japan. And then you want to put that to the side. And then combine fire with water. So fire with water, which gives you steam. And then you want to combine steam with Japan, which gives you anime. And then you want to mix the anime block with the wind block, which gives you Naruto.